Hi again. So this is my first tutorial for the follow-up video I made yesterday about teaching how to bead on fabric for free. So this picture I put here is what I have been beading for some while, so I'm using it to teach you a tutorial of how to make a cup placement. So these are my materials I'll be using: my tambour hook, beads, scissors, and my sewing thread. So that's what I'm going to be using to do this tutorial today. Thank you. So for today's free tutorial, this is what to be showing you. So you notch first. As usual, you have to notch first. This is how we start the chain stitches for tambour beading. So after notching, pick up some beads. Pick enough on your tambour hook. Then you start your beadwork. You push down 2 or 3. I push down 2 here. Yes, I push down 2. You pick up the next notch and pick up another set of beads again. Just continue that method same way over and over and again. If you don't have any idea of chain stitches, you can check on my YouTube channel Elevenpaz to check chain stitches, how to start tambour beading. Just practice. Join my WhatsApp channel group and my Telegram group to ask more questions. I'm available for you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.